When I was growing up, every Sunday morning, my dad would take my brother and I to this little bakery to pick up an assortment of freshly baked rolls. Before we left, my brother and I would get to choose one pastry to eat on the way home. I always got a cherry cheese Danish that had sliced almonds on it. It was so good that today we're sharing a version that we recently came up with. We start by opening a package of crescent roll dough, but rather than unrolling it, we slice it and place each piece on a baking sheet. Then we flatten the center of each with a juice glass and sort of pinch the edges so each one looks like a shallow bowl. Now we fill the center of each one with a sweetened cream cheese mixture. On top of that goes a spoonful of cherry pie filling, and into the oven they go. Once they cool, we drizzle them with a 2-ingredient glaze and sprinkle on some sliced almonds. You know, these look and taste exactly like the ones I grew up with. The filling is so creamy and the pastry is buttery rich. You can start making your own memories by getting the recipe for our easy cheesy cherry Danish right on our website. Hey Cal, come try these. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we went back to my childhood for a memory-making way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Aren't they good? We used to have these as kids.
Delicious.
Mm-mm-mm.